First, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped. For automatic transmission, put the car in park position. Now, press and hold the engine start-stop button until the engine completely shuts down. This usually takes a few seconds. Wait for all dashboard lights and the infotainment system to power off completely. For hybrid e-Power models from 2022 onwards, confirm the battery indicator shows a full shutdown to avoid any parasitic drain. If using a traditional key slot, remove the key fob. Always shut off the Rogue while stationary to prevent potential hazards. Avoid quick button presses. Holding the button ensures a complete shutdown. Improper shutdowns can lead to battery drain, especially in colder climates and for hybrid models. Nissan recommends checking your owner's manual for software updates via the Nissan Connect app, which can affect ignition behavior. Looking ahead, Nissan is integrating smart features like remote engine shutoff via phone apps for security, and future Rogues may feature voice command shutdowns or biometric sensors. For older models, especially those involved in the 2019-2020 recall for unintended shutdowns, ensure you've received the necessary software updates to prevent issues.